Very good morning, students. Today we are going to see the lesson carbon and its compound. In this session we are going to see introduction, general characteristic of organic compounds, classification of organic compound based on the pattern of carbon chain, classification of organic compound based on the kind of atom, hydrocarbons, characteristic of hydrocarbons, classification of organic compounds based on the functional group, homologous series, characteristic of homologous series, nomenclature of organic compounds, component of an IUPAC name, IUPAC rules for naming organic compounds. In this first session and the next IUPAC nomenclature of hydrocarbons, some example. In this first session we are going to see first introduction. Carbon is an inseparable element in human life. Already we know carbon is a important element in our human life because all the materials having a carbon, even we eat some food that also having some carbon, our body also having carbon, wood, plastics, everything having carbon. So carbon is an inseparable element in human life. The number of carbon compound found in nature and man-made. The number of carbon compound may be found in nature or man-made. There are more than 5 million compounds of carbon. There are more than 5 million compounds of carbon was present in our earth. The unique nature of carbon is catenation, tetravalency and multiple bond with itself or other element. Catenation, tetravalency and multiple bond with itself and other element. The carbon bond with itself or carbon bond with other element. All these compounds are made of covalent bond. These compounds made up of covalent bond. These compounds are called organic compound. So this is the introduction of carbon compounds. And the next, general characteristic of organic compound. What are the general characteristic of organic compound? First one, organic compound have a higher molecular weight and complex structure. The organic compound having a higher molecular weight and complex structure. Example, glucose, C6H12O6. It is not a simple structure, it is a complex structure. And then second one, mostly insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvent. So the organic compounds mostly insoluble in water. It will not dissolve in water but it can dissolve in organic solvent like ether. And then next, they are less reactive compared to organic compounds. When compared to inorganic compounds, the organic compounds having a less reactive. So organic compound less reactive, inorganic compound high reactive. Mostly organic compounds form covalent in nature. Already in introduction I told most organic compounds form covalent bond in nature. And then next, they have lower melting and boiling point. Organic compound having lower melting and boiling point when compared to inorganic compound. We compare organic compound to inorganic compound. The organic compound having lower melting point and boiling point. Next, they exhibit the phenomenon of isomerism. In organic compound, isomerism is possible. What is meant by isomerism? First we must know about isomerism. Okay. A single molecular formula represents several organic compounds. A single molecular formula represents several organic compounds that differ in their physical and chemical properties. That is called isomerism. Example, C2H6O. It is a single molecular formula, it having two structure. One is ethyl alcohol or ethanol, CH3 CH2OH. So C2 H3 H2 H5, here what is H6O. So C2 H6O, it is a common formula of ethyl alcohol. Another one structure is dimethyl ether, CH3O CH3. So both are having a same molecular formula. So a single molecular formula, this is a single molecular formula, represents several organic compounds. It represents two compounds. One is ethyl alcohol, another one is dimethyl ether. So this is called isomerism. Both are having a different physical and chemical properties. And the next, they are volatile in nature. Volatile means it can easily evaporated. And then organic compound can be prepared in the laboratory. Already I told in introduction, the carbon compounds may be nature or man-made. Man-made means we can prepared in the laboratory. So organic compound can be prepared in the laboratory. Thank you.